Hi, my name is Delilah. What the heck? What? 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 What is that thing? What is it? Oh well. Whoa. This is my owner's finger. And this is my owner. He's pretty, isn't she?
Which is right there?
Yep.
Should I move it over a little bit to the right?
I like it right there.
Right there?
They're putting stuff up on the walls because they just painted. Anyways, let me introduce you to the rest of the family. Shadow. Shadow. I don't like Shadow. Samson, my brother. He's not the smartest kitten in the world. Yeah, he's more like a dog. You should seriously bring the camera back over to me. Okay, well, listen. I love my fans. Hey, I love my fans and I love everybody who supports me. But I gotta go. See ya. I said I have to go. Toodles.